Hey guys, today I'm gonna play this noob game. No, not noob game. What team should I do? No, what is wrong with my computer? Let me be this team. Give me it. Let me be it. How rude! I'm just crying. This is so unfair. Okay, No. Oh, I need to be green. I hate green. No, I'm yellow. It's even worse. I like red. What's hell wrong with this game, man? I'm just crying. How rude. I'm stuck at this game. Okay, I killed you. Alright. Let me kill you all. I suck at this game. How rude. Oh, hello, miss. I didn't kill you. Oh, you are in my team. Hello guys, I'm gonna kill you today. That's what you learned today. Hello, 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 hello. No one is here. I just have one card. How dare you kill me? You suck at this game. How rude. I'm just crying. Alright, let's walk. You're in red team. I don't want to kill you because my favorite color is red. Oh God, she won. It is. It is or her. I don't care. Just let me win. I suck at this game. Girl, I'm trying. I just want to say that it's something started than 2 times. Let's check this shot. Look at my money. I'm getting rich. Liking it. Is this a girl or something? I just want to buy girl because I'm a girl. Just let you know, look at my beautiful skin. I'm just gonna be red because that's my favorite color. I don't care about the team. So I just killed you. Let me wait. You took my kill. How rude. I don't like any person who take my kill. Hello. What is wrong with you? I'm gonna lose. I suck at this game. Who dares to kill me? How rude! You stole my kill. Oh no! He killed me! I'm gonna cry! Oh, I don't want knife. There I go. Wait. I didn't do anything. I never been on this roof before. Hello. How rude, that was my kill. No, I didn't. I don't have anything to say. How rude. No one kills my teammates. Now, they just kill me. Yeah. What? This game is so short. Like, oh my goodness. How did it? Oh. I just got 3 kills. How rude. Safe house doesn't like it, does. I like that one. No, not 2 team. Street corner is so. No, I was going to say safe house. Yes, street corner. Okay, red. My favorite color. Oh, I'm so good with that. How is he not a kill? Oh my god, I just killed the best guy in the game. How rude. I hate that gun. Don't try to kill me. But you killed me, so. Yeah, I got him. I suck with this gun. Slime. That is the weirdest name I have ever heard. How rude. Don't try to kill me. How rude! I'm just crying myself out now. Who tries to kill me? Okay, they do. What? I didn't do anything. How? If you're watching this video still, just say I'm a nerd. You killed me. I want to kill because I hate this gun. Oh no. Thank God I got a new gun. No, I got that gun again. Ooh. Got I killed with that gun again. Oh, thing hellless. Yay. No. I just got 4 kills, you guys. Seven kills? How? Nine kills? 10 kills? 12 kills? Oh no, they killed me, of course. Oh, that girl wins again. Oh, well, this is all today, guys. Well, I would do another video tomorrow, so see ya. No, I would just kidding. I'm gonna do a You can just leave who want to stay and watch me play this game. You're welcome. Just stay. I don't care. Just watch me play some for 5-10 minutes. Or no, I need to go, guys. So see ya. Where